Hello, friends! Welcome to my bright and cheerful bathroom. Today, we're going on a potty training adventure. And look, my friend Alex is here to learn with us. The first step is using the potty chair. This is where you sit when it's time to go. After you're all done, it's time to flush. Great! The next big step is washing our hands. I use the step stool to reach the sink. And don't forget the soap to get extra clean. Look at all the fun bubbles! Wash, wash, wash your hands until the germs are gone. I think I need to go potty. Let's remember all the steps. First, Cubby sits on his special potty chair. Great job, Cubby! Now it's time for the flush. Cubby reaches up and pushes the button. Whoosh! Now, over to the sink to get clean. He gets some bubbly soap from the friendly frog. He washes and rinses his paws. All clean. You did it! You get a shiny gold star. Great job! We learned the potty steps. Go pot, flush, and wash your hands. Thanks for learning with us. Goodbye!
Join thousands of smart parents. Subscribe to Learn with Cubby Bear on our channel, Cubby Bear the Explorer,